Hello, what's up guys? So how are you? So today in this video I am going to teach you some basics of hacking and basically what is hacking, some basic hacking methods. And so let's get started. What is hacking? Our first question is what is hacking? So basically I have written a definition over here that gaining unauthorized access to a computer system or a network. So many of you might think that why I have written here a network. So I just want to tell you that hacking is basically gaining an unauthorized access without the victim's permission, and it can be done by if you hack his system or you can also hack his network. Like as you can see in this is the victim's computer, this is you as a hacker. It is connected to his computer is connected to his home router, and you hacked his home router, then you get the whole access of his computer. So basically what is hacking? Gaining unauthorized access to a computer system or a network. I think that this would have clear. Now coming to the types of hackers. So there are basically three types of hacker. In reality there are total 9 types of hackers, but the main ones are these three types of, but there are 9 types of hackers. Types of hackers, but I have covered only these three and these three. So first of all I will start from white hat hackers. These are the hackers that work with the government for government gain. Like they only hack when they have permission. As for example, like if a police wants to catch a thief, then he will take help from this white hat hackers to hack his system, to get the details of the victims and all. Means basically these are white hat and work for the government of the system, for the government. Now coming to the black hat hackers, I will also call gray hat, but first I will call black hat hackers. So black hat hackers are those hackers those who hack bank accounts, someone's Gmail, someone's ID and password of like any website and all. They don't work for, the main difference is they don't work for the government. They work for their own gain. Like if they will hack someone's bank account and will do cash out of from it, then they will get profit, and it is one type of illegal activity. Now coming to gray hat hackers, they are in between of white hat hackers and black hat hackers. Gray hat hackers, it depends on the hackers that he wants to help to the government or he wants to become a black hat hacker. It totally depends on him that which kind of hacker he wants to become. Okay, I think that it would have been clear for you. Now coming to the basic hacking techniques. So here I have mentioned just 5 techniques. In my later video I am going to cover much more in depth knowledge of hacking techniques. So let's get started with phishing. Well, it's many of you might have guessed that what is phishing, and even you know, but I am going to tell you about phishing. That phishing in simple phishing, the hacker creates a fake page, spam page or spam link, and will send you this link. It will be almost similar to the real website, and there when you will enter your credentials, the hacker will get access and details of your credentials. Okay, now coming to social engineering. Social engineering is one of the famous hacking attack used by the hackers, cause in this attack hackers get some basic idea, gather some basic idea about you, and after gathering some basic idea about you, he uses these details to hack your system. Okay, now coming to the next attack, SQL injection. SQL injection is a famous attack for hacking, usually hacking websites. In this attack, hacker inject an SQL attack on the main server, on the admin server, to get the access or the credentials of the admin. Okay, it is a famous attack basically used by hackers for hacking websites and admin panels and backend servers and all. Now coming You don't need to tension. I will cover all these topics in depth in my later videos. So be connected with this. Now coming to the keylogger attack. Keylogger is like an software. For example, I am a hacker and I want to hack one of my friend's system. So what I will do in this, I will install a keylogger in his system to get an access. There are many similar attacks like this is payload attack and metasploit etc. So now coming to the DDoS attack. So first of all, we must know the definition of the DDoS, because many of the guys who do DDoS attack even don't know its definition. So its definition, denial of service attack. Now it is a famous attack that is basically used for servers, websites, and basically servers. So in this attack, hackers downs the server. What does it mean? Means like if it is a system of a website, okay, it is a website, it is backend system where the all data is stored. So if I want to down the website, as you know that for browsing any website we must be connected to its backend server. So if hackers using DDoS attack downs the backend system, then the website will be down. Okay, so in DDoS attack, hackers basically targets the backend system. Using that backend system, your website will be down, and it's a famous attack used by hackers for downing websites. Most of them do this for fun because it's a very easy attack. And now coming to which is the hardest attack in this is social engineering, and phishing is even anyone can do. If someone is doing it in its first time, even he can also do phishing. You just need 3 tools for that. What are these 3 tools? First one is hosting, panel script. That's it. In social engineering, you must have command on Linux. Okay, same in the SQL injection attack, you must have command on Linux and all. In keylogger, you must have know how to make a keylogger, and even if you are using a public keylogger, then there is some risk of getting catch. Okay, and DDoS I have told you. DDoS can also be done via Linux or by using some tools, private tools. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope that you have gathered some knowledge from my video and like that. So subscribe to the channel if you're new, and also like the video if it is helpful for you. Thank you.